In this question, it's given that a dehydration reaction links two glucose molecules to produce one molecule of maltose. And the molecular formula for glucose is C6H12O6. So you have to choose the correct option that represents the formula for maltose. Now, when two glucose molecules are linked together to form maltose through a dehydration reaction, which is a synthesis reaction, one water molecule is removed. The formula for glucose is C6H12O6. So when two glucose molecules combine, the total molecular formula is coming to C12H24O12. But during the reaction, one water molecule has been removed. So the final formula is coming to C12H22O11. Hence, the correct answer is option B.